This is a story about Billy Joe and Bobby Sue. Two young lovers with nothing better to do but get in the house, get high and watch the tube. Dude, I gotta pee. I gotta pee bad. Huh? I'm ready. 1, 2, 3. Right, on you.
We're gonna have to go low.
Okay.
All right. Looking like you're about to go over the edge, bro.
Well, that's how I like to look. Always keep them on their toes, you know? Like it. So you want this like this? Don't be mad at me. You look mad at me. Right here. I don't know. Bro, what's up, dude? What's up? All right, what's up, guys? It's Jade with Dose Moving and Storage. We're moving our friend Cookie today. We have I believe it's a 2-bedroom. Yeah, I think it's a 2-bedroom house in Carefree, Arizona. That's where we're at. Yeah, I knew that. But yeah, we're just having a good time, listening to music. We're going up to, I'm not sure, is it Prescott or Payson? We're going to Prescott. Yeah. I don't know much about Prescott. I can't even get the name right between that and Payson, but I know it's beautiful, probably. Today we got Steven, our crew lead, Kiwi, our other crew lead, and Jason, and then me, Jade. So, yeah, just another day doing what we do. No, I was raised by my grandparents, so, and one of which was a blues guitarist. So, yeah, so. Woo!
That Mr. Beast, gotta give that Mr. Beast vibe.
Yeah, nah. I hate that. Because I used to do that in my YouTube videos. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Jagar here.
It's your boy, Jay.
Right back where it was.
Not at all. You got
Okay, just that way. And then
Jake,
they have to deal with it.
Oh, dude, I thought you were saying let's pick it up. I was like, dude, that's not me. Yes, ma'am. I believe so.
Yeah, Ruben is leaving, and that's what's best for him right now. How fast can you guys learn the back end of Connect, the back end of Smart Moving, Excel, basic logistics, budgeting for a department to where you are managing the budget of all repaired fleet costs and supplies and blah, 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 managing all the relationships for pricing out tape and boxes and stuff monthly. So one of the valid criticisms that came up, which was also anticipated, was why have we not had a training program in place for the last several years where we could have been learning all those things? And I said, 100%, 100% we should have. Yep, you guys know what happened when the company was bought and what happened with the economy and the sprint that everybody's had to make to get other things in order. And unfortunately, was not expected that Ruben was leaving, especially so quickly. And there just was not time to build that out. Yeah. So that's one of those things I can offer that we're doing now. That's why we created several assistant positions in training and in logistics and warehouse management, so that those opportunities are there. But I tried really hard to get them to understand that, you know, oftentimes you have no good decision options. in business, and I can't just think about Brian, CJ's feelings, or Steven's feelings. I have to think about what's good for
So Ruben is moving on to greener pastures, and I'll be joining Dose as the operations manager. I remember moving a sub sandwich underneath the guy's bed. Oh, that dog. That was black. It's just pumpernickel, you know. It was white bread, I want rock solid. Like something. I've been in the moving business going on 8 years now. So I get it. I know what you guys deal with. I've dealt with every aspect of it. Hi, I'm Matt Mendonza, the new operations manager here at Dose Moving and Storage. So I've got this crazy idea that I want to take my love for pickleball and my passion for the moving industry and marry them together and make Dose Moving the go-to mover for the pickleball industry.